How to the problem the solve the Pause app has been not working. The first of all open the app well setting and search the app managers. App manager open the app setting and search the Telegram. And first for Telegram the searchings and search the permission allow. So first for permission the allow the location max and allow the storage and cashier. Open the back the Play Store open and first for Telegram update now and search the Telegrams Telegram app this open and update now and first of all update now Telegram app Google Play Store the searching the first of all open the update and now and problem the solve issue and live proof update now